Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today we are going to discuss about a chapter and information bureau. It is a poem and this poem has been written by the Planky Sprague. Okay, so let's start and know what is the main theme of this poem. So you can see here in the image there are given in the image you can see here is a woman who has a many hand, and she has doing all kind of the work in the home. So here is the movement you can see in the pictures, that was the mother. Here is the poet telling about her mother, that was the a information bureau. And information bureau, if you have any problem, any kind of you have to want to any kind of the information, so you have to call your mother and your solution will appear before you. Okay, so first you can see here, who do you go to when you cannot find something at home, who helps you find it at your home, who solve everything's problem quickly. Okay, so here is the question that was appear in the screen, that was the, if you have to need anything, and whom do you go to when you cannot find anything in the rooms or homes, then you call someone, and that time only one person who helps you, that was your mothers. Okay, so you can recite this poem and know what is the sense of the poem. First I will recite this. An information bureau, right in our home you will find. Of course, it is our mothers, so loving and so kind. For she is the one we go to, a question each one brings. We are sure that she can tell us just where we left our things. Where is my hat? That's father's, and Jackie's misland a book. I have lost my spec. Calls grandma. Please, will you give a look? Where is my scarf? Asked sister. I left it in the hall. And the day comes in the demanding, where that's new tennis ball. Where are my gloves, my grandpa? I need them right away. I have lost my notebook. Mother, I had it yesterday. An information bureau. Yes, really, that is so. We always go to mother, and mother seems to know. Okay, so here is the information bureau means an office that provide information about something. Okay, so one by one we have to know what is the main sense of the lines. So first lines is an information bureau. An information bureau, right in our home you will find. Of course it is your mother, and so loving and so kind. Okay, when you at your home, then you have a lot of the problems, such like that your things is not you can find it, then you have to calling your mother, and then your mother was giving your all element that you have to need. Okay, so an information bureau right in our home, that is that guys, it means your mother is the a information bureau that provide many of the information that you have to find. Okay, and of course it is no one other person, that was only one, your mother, who loving and so kind for you. Farsi is the one we go to, a question each one brings. We are sure that she can tell us just where we left our things. So in the third line, it means second stanza, the poet says that Farsi is the one we go to, a question each one brings. If we have any question, we have any problem, then we have to go to her, then he always solve that question. He had always a reply of the question, and we sure that she can tell us just where we left our things, and see everything will tell us that was the need for us. Okay, so many of the members in the family, and one by one all family asking something. So you can see in the next line, where is my hat? That's father and Jack's misled a book. Okay, so first question was given by the poet who telling that where is my hat. The question was asked by the father. The father asked the question, where is my hat? Okay, hat, you know very well that what is the mean of the hat. Hat is the like a cap that put on your head, okay, top of the head. So father asked the question to his my mother's. Okay, here is the writer saying that the father asked the question to her mother's, where is his hat. Then what kind of the hat? The Jack's misled a book. Okay, and Jack's misled a book. Here the Jack's had a next problem, that was the he misled a book. And I haven't lost my specs, calls grandma, please will you give a look. Now next question is asking by the grandma, and what she asking? She asking that I have lost my spec. Okay, spec means spectacles. Spectacles means glasses. Okay, the grandma lost his glasses. It means lost, not means here lost. He put down something here and there of the glasses. So she asking to her his mothers. It means poet's mothers, please will you give a look. And she also requesting to the mother that she can look if anywhere, then she tell us. Okay, now next line, the question is, where is my scarf? Asked sister, I left it in the hall. And here is the sister also asking in the next question. The question is, where is the scarf? Scarf is a kind of the dress that putting by the girls. Okay, so she also asked the question to her mother that where is her scarves. I left in the hall. And she also telling a place where she left the scarf. And Dave comes in demanding where that's new tennis ball. And now next, Dan is the next younger boy or younger son of the mothers. And and he asking or demanding what he demanding? He demanding that where is that the new tennis ball. Okay, he asking about a new tennis ball. Next, where are my gloves? Says grandpa. Okay, so you can see here is the first asking by the father asking a hat, and then Jax also misled his books. And after that grandma also asking about the spectacles. And her sisters, it means the poet's sister, also asking about the scarf. And Dave also asking about a new tennis ball. Okay, so next question will appears in front of us, that was the grandpa. And grandpa asking about his gloves. Okay, gloves is a kind of the dress that was the put on in a hand. Okay, gloves says by the